Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tayto Potato. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve across at the top. Then from each end, let's bring it down. And then let's curve it out slightly, all the way to the bottom. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with a line across for the mouth. And then let's thicken the line up. Now on each side, let's add a circle for the eyes. And color these both in black. Next, let's hop out and let's draw a bump on each side for the hands. And then two larger bumps at the bottom for the feet. And that's it for Tayto Potato. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!